Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing another alcohol ink painting. I'm going to do a flower, the side view of a flower. I'm going to be using Piñata white and Piñata magenta. I might just use, I have some magenta mixed with some alcohol in here just to thin it down, like to make it not so strong. I don't know which one I'm going to use. I think I'm going to try this at first, and then if it's too much, then I'll use that one. I might use a little bit of green for the stem, maybe, or for just the bottom of the flower. Sorry. I'm using this to spread the ink out. What else? If I need to use some alcohol, I'll be using 99% alcohol. And I have a mask, a respirator mask on, because the fumes from the alcohol are quite strong. So I have a window open in here, and I'm putting my mask on, so I'll be doing a voiceover for the rest of the video. Okay. Okay, I'm starting by just putting 1 or 2 drops of white. And then 1 drop of the magenta. And then I'm going to blow it with my air blower. Just a couple of pumps. And then I'm going to just do a few more. One in the middle, another one on the side. And then I'm going to work my way down towards the, I guess, bottom of the flower. I'm using a tile that I painted with black acrylic paint. It's the soft body Artist Loft, I believe. I just painted it, let it dry, and now I'm doing the flower over top, and it works pretty good. It dries pretty fast, so you just get only a chance to do a couple of pumps, 2 or 3 pumps, before it stops moving. If it were on Yupo paper or plastic, you would be able to move it around more, but I think you would have to add some more alcohol. I don't want to do it on here just in case it does something to the acrylic paint underneath. So here I'm just trying to decide how to add the stem of the flower on there. I'm going to have to use a brush and some green ink. But I'm going to lighten up the green ink with some white so it shows up more. So I just added some ink on a piece of cardboard beside my painting and dipped my brush in it, and I'm just going to add a stem and then add some green at the bottom of the flower, a little bit of white as well. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.